Welcome to the Stock Market Essentials course, your gateway to financial empowerment. In this fast paced world of finance and investment, it is essential to have a solid foundation. That's why we are thrilled to introduce you to this free Stock Market Essentials course. Have you ever wondered how the stock market works? Are you eager to start your journey towards financial independence but not sure where to begin? Don't worry, you're not alone. Hi, I am Mahesh Kamath, a full time trader, mentor, and founder of MAK Trading School. I have been in the world of stock markets and trading for over 15 years now. Still, I believe that there is lots more to learn and improve. Learning is an ongoing process. It has been a very challenging and long journey to reach the level of expertise that I have today. I'm very passionate about sharing my knowledge with you so that it can fasten your learning curve and shorten your learning journey. Our Stock Market Essentials course is designed for beginners just like you. Whether you are a college student, a working professional, or a retired person looking to grow your wealth, this course is an ideal starting point for you. In this course, you will have access to a lot of video lessons and important topics that one needs to know before trading or investing. You will also have access to few downloadable resources, a practical handbook on stock market trading, which provides in-depth information about key topics, trader's aptitude test, which will enable you to understand which areas you need to work on as a trader. I sincerely hope that you're going to make good use of all the resources that are shared in this course. Remember that knowledge is key to making informed financial decisions. So, thank you for joining us and taking the first step towards securing your financial future. And we can't wait to see you succeed in the stock market.